So I just woke up not too long ago and did my makeup. Now I'm ready to start the day. For today's video, I'm gonna go thrifting and do a thrift flip. But before I go into further detail, I'm gonna go downstairs and go get a smoothie because I haven't had anything to eat yet since it's still pretty early. My boyfriend just made one for me. Went to go check the mail. Here's a smoothie. Smells pretty good. Let's taste it. Not bad. Very refreshing. My throat was pretty dry. This cup is literally the size of my face. I'm looking for places right now to shop at. We will judge off of which one has the best reviews. Should we do that or look at the pictures?
Nah, that one looks weak.
Yeah, it looks very vintagey. I don't want vintagey.
Nah, these look musty.
I know. Oh, this one doesn't look that bad. Dang it, I don't know which one to choose from. We decided to go to this one, but if there's nothing good, because they didn't have a lot of pictures, we'll go to a different Goodwill. We're about to leave. I don't even know how far this Goodwill is. So the type of clothing that I'm gonna try to look for at the thrift store is cute, pastel, soft girl stuff, but you know, have it be trendy and summery because it is summer. I don't wanna get no winter clothing because I'm not gonna be wearing no furry long sleeves in this 100-degree weather. I might end up getting like a hoodie or something though, because I do stay in my house a lot. The inspo is probably something like similar to Brandy, the Urban Outfitters, you know, all the trendy stores that all the girls be shopping at. That's the goal. Some cute summer soft girl clothing. Cutest freaking pants ever. I think they're scrubs, but look how cute they are. Like, they match my aesthetic so well. I want to do something with these. Add this into the cart. Look at these cute pants, and they're high-waisted too, so I think that would look really cute. Add that to the cart. Look at this one. Like, imagine these as shorts. The jeans are kind of expensive. They're all $7 per jean, which is a lot for a thrift store in my opinion. Let's try this on.
Ooh, low-key.
Where's my tea at? This is the first shirt that I found. With this one, I plan on like cutting it even shorter. Oh, and then adding a patch to it. Yeah, definitely cute. My boyfriend just came and he found me an art stand. If you didn't know, I love to paint. It's only $3. We're definitely getting it, and I'll be painting way more often. I found the perfect cardigan. I had the idea of like, you know, on Brandy, they have like those little short cropped cardigans. I found this purple one. So happy I found this. Yes. I was looking at the dresses. I found this really ugly dress, like so grandma-ish, but I got a really cute idea of like just using this part right here. I feel like that's perfect for summer, and it fits my aesthetic too because it's pastel. Check out my Huey.
What the heck?
Why do all kids' shoes fit me? These are probably like a size 3 as well.
Those are crazy. What? Those are fire.
Oh, I'm tired. That was my legs are like, I'm like Bambi. I can't walk. What if I just split? Oh, I need help. Look at these Converse that we found. They're so cute.
They're both $10. So we have to decide between these Converse
or the Heelys.
Or the Heelys. I'm kind of feeling the Heelys though.
But like, what if I want to wear them normally? I can't.
You can't take the thing out? I think you can.
You can take wheels out?
Yeah, you can take the wheels out. It's got popped out like the little tool.
You sure?
Those aren't even Heelys. They call it spinners.
That's right. I like them though as like regular shoes. Should we do a quick poll on my story? I'm gonna do a poll on my story on deciding which shoes to get, either the Converse or the Heelys. Whichever wins by the time I'm done trying on all the clothing is the one that I will get.
Yes.
The big words. And then add the pole to it. Nothing on it?
B.
Which one fits my aesthetic more or something?
Nah, just put that and we'll see which one gets more votes.
I feel like A's gonna, I feel like B's gonna get more votes.
I don't know.
Come on. There you go. It is now live.
There you go.
Right,
we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna go try on the clothing now. Once I'm in the fitting room, I'll probably show you guys a few items. I'm in the fitting room right now. Oh my gosh, guys. I picked up this tank top and I thought it'd be like really wide because I don't know, just area just looked really huge. When I tried it on, it fitted me perfectly and it's so cute. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this one. Look at this. I wish I knew how to alter, but like I said, I can't sew. I wouldn't be able to make them small. So I'm done trying things on. Now I'm gonna check the pole because like I said, I would check it once I'm done. So let's see which one I am getting. Okay.
You are gonna be getting
the Heelys. Yeah. I feel like Converse is like more like soft girl too. This is more like e-girl. I don't know. I like these at first, but like now I'm thinking about it, like this would make more sense. Cause I feel like these Converse go way better with the clothing that I got.
The fans said to get Heelys, but you know what? The Converse are cleaner. And we're breaking the rules and we're gonna get the Converse.
Yeah, I just feel like it fits my style more. And now we're off to the craft store.
Well, first we're gonna buy all the stuff. We'll let you guys know how much we spent.
$4.49. $4.49.
So this was a total price, $41.
You got a pair of Converse, you can't beat that.
Yeah.
And they're pink. You like pink?
Yeah, I do. When I finished thrifting yesterday, my camera had died right after. So I went home to go charge it, but by the time I was done charging, it was already like 8 o'clock, which was too dark for me to record. So here I am the next day. I have a new outfit on, of course. I'm about to go to the craft store right now, and I will bring you guys with me. We're here now. We're about to go in. So we found the patches, guys. Look how many there are. They even have letters. Oh my god, look at the cute butterflies. These are so cute. I have a handful of patches here in my hand, and right now I'm gonna decide which ones I should use on my clothing.
I like how this looks, but this is kind of funny.
That's so cute.
If you really like it, just
I
get it.
love it.
Now we're looking for lace.
So I want to add lace to my shirt, and it's gonna have this on it, so it'll be extremely cute. We're in line right now. About to get these things.
It's gonna be $16.18.
We just finished shopping and it was $16 in total for like 5 things. Is that worth it to you?
No.
Now it is time to show you guys everything. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and that includes thrift store clothing, the arts and crafts stuff, and some stuff at Walmart that I'm going to be using to flip them. But we're going to start off with the arts and crafts store things to show you guys first. Here is what I got. I got this heart patch. I got tiny white buttons. I feel like these are really cute. Look how tiny they are too. I love tiny things. And then for my favorite one, I got a kitten patch. Look how cute. Oh my god, it's so adorable. What should I name the cat? This one is also really cute. It's supposed to be a label that you put on, like, you know, the back of your clothing, like the tags type of thing. But I thought it would be really cute to put it like right here. And it says, made with love and kisses. I got these things on Walmart. So here's what I got. I got this liquid stitch from Walmart. It's permanent and basically it's fabric glue. I'm gonna be using glue to put everything together for my clothing. Also, you're able to wash it because it is permanent, so that's pretty cool. I got peel and stick fabric fuse. It's like tape but for fabric, and it's two-sided. For the last thing, I got fabric scissors. I do have regular scissors, but I thought it would be better to use like the actual ones that are meant for fabric, because maybe it'll help me cut it better because I'm terrible at cutting. Now for the final reveal, the thrift store clothing. I got this from the kids section. I thought it wouldn't fit me. I don't know, it looked too big from like right here, but once I tried it on, it actually fit pretty well. It goes up like this, kind of like a halter top, and I think that's really cute. I got this cardigan. It's a lilac cardigan, pretty thin and cute and dainty, and it has like tiny little buttons. It fits with my aesthetic perfectly. Now for the next one, it's a simple white tank top. Okay. Now, I actually think these are scrubs, but they're so cute. They're just, oh my god, I fell in love with these. I feel like it's like the perfect shade of pink too. It's like a pastel pink, but still like somewhat vibrant. Okay, for the last clothing item, this one, I know you guys are gonna say it's ugly, but trust me, I will transform it into something really cute. Basically, it's a very long yellow grandma dress, and it is huge. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this belonged to a grandma in like the 70s or something. Now that I showed you guys everything, I'm gonna go upstairs, and I'm gonna try on everything for you guys. Okay, let's go upstairs now. I'm so tired. Here is the pink top on me. See, it's just a regular kid's tank top. I'm gonna crop it, like probably to right here. To make it super cute, I plan on adding this kitten on it right here in the middle for this white tank top. Here it is on me. Pretty fit too, you know, just a regular looking tank top. I plan to put this in the center like I told you guys, and then to make it even cuter, I'm gonna add a frill to it. Now for the cardigan, this is what it looks like on me. I'm also gonna be cropping this, so I'm gonna crop it to like probably around here. Once it's cropped, I'm gonna change the buttons. See how they're like a pastel purple? I thought it would be cuter if I changed the buttons into white, so it makes it pop out more. Here are the pink pants. I love how these look just by themselves. I'm not gonna cut them. I'm actually just going to add patches onto them. I'm just gonna add these pink hearts on the sides. Now for the most ugly one, but I see potential in it, is this grandma gown. I told you guys it was huge on me. You could fit like another me in this. I'm gonna turn this into a tube top. Now for the shoes. They're just regular high top Converse. All I'm gonna be adding to them is beads on right here. I've done this before with my white platform shoes. I added fairy onto both of the sides, so I think that's what I'm gonna do to here. So the first thing that I'm going to make is the tank top. I'm going to lay my shirt flat. Then I'm going to use another tank top to use it as a guideline. I'm going to cut it like around here. We'll use the chalk. I have the patch on right here. This is my first time ironing, so I'm not sure how many times you're supposed to do this. All right, now that's it. Look at that. It's so adorable. For the white tank top, I want it to be short too. Now, I'm gonna flip it inside out. We're just going to place it in the center. Here's what it looks like now. Now for the next step, you're gonna grab your lace and you're basically just gonna glue here along the hemline. It's looking really cute. And now it's gluing on. Here is the final thing. I love it. Look at this. For the cardigan, I'm going to cut it like right under this, and then I'm going to add in these white buttons to it. So I'm gonna take out these buttons right here, the purple ones. Yeah, so I just finished cutting it. What I'm gonna do is just go in and out, in and out, in and out until it's secure. That's what I will do for all of the buttons. Here is what it looks like now. It's so cute and dainty. I'm super proud of myself for this one. For this dress, I'm just going to cut off the sleeves, and then right where the stretchy fabric ends, I'll cut it off as well. I'm done cutting them out. This is what they look like right now. Basically like a piece of fabric. This is the final thing. This is so cute. Here it is up close. For these pink pants, we're gonna add these two patches just on one side. I decided to just put the patches on and add nothing else to it. This is the final thing. This one's super easy. There you go. For the shoes, this is what it's gonna look like. This will be on one side and this will be on the other side. Really cute. It's my username and it looks so cute. And the bottoms, they look super cute together, so I wanted to take pictures with them for my Instagram. We're about to go try to find a cute area to take some pictures in this outfit, so you guys will see the pictures once I take the pictures. Alright guys, so that was the end of this video. Let me know down below which outfit was your favorite. This was clearly mine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly. Also, if you want to follow my Instagram, it'll be down below in the description. Love you fairies. Bye! If you didn't like my video, I'm so sorry. Hit subscribe. Join Fairy Army. If you didn't like my video, why don't you like it? I'm so sorry. Not really. Hit subscribe. Hit that button. Join Fairy Army. Just join it, bitch.